Hai sahabat Goeser, kembali lagi di channelnya Gomadai. Kali ini kita akan update dari tahun ke tahun tentang Polygon Siskiyou D7 dari 2017 hingga 2022. Check it out.
Wake up and every day told me a promise that I would make it one day as an artist. Music's the only thing keeping me honest. I know that I want it, I'm hoping I got it. Addicted to all this remotely melodic. See how some people become alcoholics. Addiction is real but mine isn't as toxic. Although sometimes I feel a little psychotic. I know that I got it in me. Can't stop what's in me to the top. Believe me, I'm not resisting. It's all beginning. I'm all but willing to break the ceiling. Oh, take a chance and do it. Take a stance and prove it to yourself. Improving every day you're moving. Every day's a new one. Don't fear to lose one. Bounce back and move on.
Terima kasih telah menonton video di channel ini. Jangan lupa subscribe, like, and comment. Terima kasih.
Some days are my worst days, but every day is a work day. I fell in love with the wordplay. If it's a dream